so this is the second part of the video from last week that never really got uploaded. But we went over what all of these subject pronouns mean in French and English. So to say I, it's je. To say you, informal, it's tu. He and it is il. She and it is elle. On is that someone, indefinite pronoun. Nous means we. Vous is you or y'all, if you is singular and formal. And then il and elle, plural, are both they. What was not in the other video is how do you know kind of how to use these? What do these replace in an actual sentence? So for je, if you think about like when you're talking, you wouldn't say me am a teacher or me is a teacher, or you wouldn't say me am or me is a student. You would say I am a teacher, I am a student. So the word me, in French is moi. So just like you wouldn't say me is in English, you wouldn't say me is in French, you would say I. So if you ever see moi by itself, then your subject is je. However, sometimes you may see another name, so Bob or whatever, a name, and then the phrase et moi, or and me. If you see et moi after a name, that's the same thing as we or nous, because you're saying someone and me and I are going to the movies. We're going to get something to eat. So whereas in English we would say, I'll use Mr. Stroh. Mr. Stroh and I are teachers. He teaches in the other building. But in French we would actually say Mr. Stroh and is a, and then I, you don't actually say je right here. You put in moi, because you cannot say and I in French. You have to say and me, which is the exact opposite of what we do in English. So moi by itself is the same thing as je. Someone a moi is the same thing as nous. Right? Similar if something happens on these two, on your second person. If you see toi by itself, then your subject is actually tu. But if you see a name and then the phrase a toi, then your subject is vous. So you're saying someone and you are going to the movies, are going to the mall, or whatever. These, the last ones are really easy. This doesn't really replace anything, okay? If il means he, it replaces one guy's name, one male. If it means it replaces one masculine noun. Right, so one male, one guy, his name is replaced with il when it means he. Or if you have a masculine noun like le stylo, that would also be il because it is a masculine noun. So if il without an s, singular, replaces one male or one masculine noun, then il with an s, il plural, is going to replace two or more male names and two or more masculine nouns. Okay. Same things happens here with elle. One, instead of one male name, it's going to be one female name and one feminine noun here. Or, plural, you would have two or more females and two or more feminine nouns. Now, the only other thing that you need to know on how to use these and how to substitute stuff out is that this one right here, the il plural, is mixed company. What that means is if you have males and females together, then you're going to use the masculine form of they. The masculine is going to override the feminine. Doesn't matter how many females you have, as long as you have one male in the group or one masculine noun in a group of feminine nouns, you're going to use the masculine form of they. Okay? Let me pause it and stop another video. Oh, I can't. All right, hang on just a second. I'll give you some more examples. Hang on. video was talking to. All right, so to give you a couple of examples, if you had, let's use these two, lo stilo by itself, it's the same thing as il. If you have la table by itself, it's the same thing as el. But if I change it and I say lo stilo e la table, then because you have a masculine noun and a feminine noun, it is mixed company. So you use the female or the masculine form of they, even though there is a feminine something there. The masculine is going to override the feminine. Okay. This is what we've been doing in class the past couple of days. Tomorrow we're adding something else. So if you do not understand this, please let me know. You can stay after one day, you can come early one day, or I'll get you another video and get you some more practice. But this is kind of the basis of everything that we're going to be doing in French. So if you don't understand this, you really need to let me know so that I can help you figure out what's going on. Because without this, you can't really do anything else.